Ever pondered the path to skyrocketing your tech career? The key lies in acquiring cutting-edge skills and gaining hands-on experience. Today, we're delving into a series of courses that could be your stepping stones to success in the tech world. Firstly, we have the Software Testing course, accredited by the International Software Testing Qualifications Board. This course takes you from the fundamentals to the intricacies of software testing. You'll learn the tools, techniques, and methodologies used in the field, all while gaining the ability to design effective test cases and manage any defects found. This course not only gives you the knowledge, but also the confidence to ensure that software functions correctly and performs optimally. Next, there's the Data Analytics course. Here you'll dive into SQL, Power BI, and Excel DAX. This course offers a comprehensive understanding of how to manipulate, analyze, and visualize data. It demystifies SQL queries, Power BI dashboards, and Excel DAX formulas. By the end of this journey, you'll be able to transform raw data into meaningful insights, a skill sought after in every industry. Moving on, there's the Full Stack Java course. This course takes you on a deep dive into the world of Java, covering everything from core concepts to advanced topics. You'll get hands-on experience in designing user interfaces, writing server-side code, and managing databases. The course will equip you with the skills to develop robust, scalable, and secure web applications using Java. Then, there's the Full Stack Python course. This course offers an all-encompassing walkthrough of Python programming. It covers the basics of Python syntax, data structures, and algorithms, and progresses to web development, data science, and machine learning. Upon completion, you'll have the know-how to create powerful Python applications and solve real-world problems. Finally, the CCNA Linux, AWS, and DevOPS course. This course empowers you with networking and cloud computing skills. It covers networking fundamentals, Linux system administration, AWS cloud services, and DevOPS methodologies. This course provides a solid foundation for anyone looking to venture into network engineering or cloud computing. And here's the game changer. Each of these courses comes with an exclusive opportunity to immerse yourself in real-world projects through an internship at a premier IT powerhouse. This provides a platform to apply your newfound skills in a practical setting, giving you a competitive edge in the job market. In conclusion, these courses offer more than just knowledge. They equip you with the skills, experience, and confidence to make your mark in the tech industry. So don't just dream big, make it happen. Enroll now and blaze a trail to success in the tech world.